I'm doing good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm fine, I'm fine. Yeah, so can you tell me about yourself?
I have 4.6 of experience into Informatica Power Center tool. I was into development
Uh-huh.
as well as into support.
Uh-huh.
I have developed various mapping sessions workflows. In that, I have
Uh-huh.
used various transformations. Like we have many transformations in Informatica. Like
Uh-huh.
filter, expression, router, joiner. So I have all
Uh-huh.
used all these transformations. So ours was a source as Oracle DB as well as flat files. So I was worked on
Uh-huh.
various source systems. So I have worked on
Uh-huh.
level G, 12C, 19C database and flat files with delimiters, CSV files and fixed width and delimiter files.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, so which project you're working out?
It was our client was Telenor. It's a telecom domain. So we
Uh-huh.
used to get
Uh-huh.
travel and living expenses of employees data. So we used to process that data.
Uh-huh. 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 So you have also worked in Unix and Oracle, right?
Yes, I worked on.
Okay, so Oracle, which version you worked on?
I worked on 10G, 11G, and 12C. Currently on 12C.
Okay, open 10G, 11G, 12G. Okay, what is G means?
G means grade.
Uh-huh. And C means?
C is like C is cloud.
Okay. So what is the difference between database, data warehouse and data mart?
Data warehousing is like it contains historical data which is used for analytical analysis purpose, whereas data mart is a subset of a data warehouse like individual subject area. Like database contains OLTP or real-time data or the live data.
So what is the domain in Informatica?
Like domain, we used to configure our domain to connect to Informatica repository services.
Uh-huh. The interlinking and interconnection relationship of relationship is called domain, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So what is the difference between powerhouse and the repository server?
Like powerhouse, I never came across. Like repository server contains integration service and repository service, which are responsible for executing the code and upping the services. But never came across powerhouse.
Uh-huh. Uh, so what is the difference between mapping parameter and mapping variable?
Mapping parameter which does not change through the mapping, like we have a parameter mapping parameter file. So we used to declare the parameter in the file and we used to use those mapping parameter in the mapping, whereas variable which can change throughout the session.
So what are the different types of methods for implementation of parallel processing in Informatica?
Using session dependency set, like we can set sessions at parallel level, and also at partitioning, we can use partitioning in the Informatica. So using partitioning we can use parallelism, as well as using the session dependencies we can set in parallel.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. So what are the different types of partitions are there?
Like database partition, hash partitioning, key range partitioning.
Uh-huh. Okay. So what is the difference between OLAP and OLTP?
OLAP is like historical data used for analytic process, whereas OLTP is like real-time data, like transaction data.
Uh-huh. So what are the different types of OLAPs are there?
Like not sure, like it was a analytical data used for the analysis purpose.
No. I'm asking about the different types of OLAPs. There are different types of OLAPs are there. What are they?
Not sure, Sunil.
Okay. It's ROLAP, HOLAP and MOLAP. Relational, multiple and hyper.
Oh, Okay.
Okay, so what is a session task?
Session task, which consists of mapping, which is used to execute it in the workflow.
What is the standalone command task?
Like it can be executed alone, like it's standalone, which can be executed by on a standby.
Uh-huh. Uh, so what is a dimensional model?
Like dimensional model, which like gathering requirements like what is the source, what is the target, or what is the outcome. Then we come across selecting a flow like star schema or snowflake schema.
But actually, that dimensional model is like it's a architecture of the project, right?
Yep, yes.
First thing we requirement for saying some dimensional modeling, dimensional model,
Yep.
or when ERPs will be coming out. After that, the dimensional schemas will be coming out. So which schema I want to execute on that one?
Yep, yeah.
Okay. So what is the difference between copy and shortcut?
Copy, like we can copy it from one location to another location, but the changes won't reflect. Whereas a shortcut, the changes will be reflected in the shortcut also.
So what is the difference between stop and abort?
Stop, reader will be created immediately, but it continues to write in the thread. About it immediately kills reader and write thread.
So what are the limitations of push down optimization?
Push down automation, not sure. It can't be used in the source culture, I think, but not sure. Like never got a chance to work on push down optimization. Like.
Okay.
Sorry, can you throw some light on push down automation? Like what are the limitations?
Sorry?
Like what are the limitations of push down option? Just want to know.
What are the limitations of?
Push down optimization.
Limitations of push down optimization. Push down
Yeah.
optimization depends on the transactions. Like what are the transactions we're running out? Based on that, the push down optimization will be done out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, so what is the difference between Informatica Power Center and Informatica PowerMart?
Like Power Center can process huge volumes of data, but format is like it doesn't like it handles small amount volumes of data.
Okay, that's it.
I am good about Power Center, but never came across format. I can't throw some light on format.
Okay. So what happens if in the source filter property of S2 transformation we include keyword where? What happens?
I think it won't support where condition in the source call file while reading.
So what is a status code?
Status code. Sorry about this status code.
Status code is under handling of Informatica server. So the stored procedure issues the status code.
Oh, okay.
Okay. How to use normalizer transformation in Informatica?
Like normalization transformation used to convert from column to rows, but we have a limitation like we can't use it in the mapping like maplet.
Okay. So what is the difference between joiner and lookup transformation?
Joiner is used to join heterogeneous source systems, whereas lookup it is to look up on a target table, like it acts as a left outer join. Like we have joiner, we have multiple joins like normal inner, normal join, full outer join, like master outer, detail outer, and full outer. Lookup also supports non-equi joins, but normal joiner doesn't.
Okay. So, how do you load null records into a target?
Like we have a option called is null. So using the is null function, we can load nulls into the target. Or also we cannot, if you don't connect the link, also nulls will be loaded into that column.
Okay. So, you also work in Oracle and Unix, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So, what is the difference between varchar and varchar2?
Like varchar to, if the max length also it takes the value, but remaining will be not be added with the spaces. Whereas varchar, the spaces will be appended with the remaining length of the character.
So, in which language Oracle has been developed?
C language.
What is blob data type?
Blob data type, like it contains binary data, which can handle huge volumes of data.
What is the difference between LOV and list of items?
Not sure, Sunil, about this.
What is the difference between $Oracle underscore base and $Oracle underscore home?
Dollar underscore home is the Oracle home directory. Dollar underscore base is like it's like base directory, root directory.
Okay. Okay, so how can you find the minimum salary of an employee?
Select salary from table where salary in min of. I will write a subquery. Select min of salary from table.
Okay, so in Unix, can you give me the
Sorry.
list of common shells with their indicators?
Okay. Like we have different indicators like kernel shell script, yeah, shell script. What? Not sure about the
I'm not asking
indicators.
shell script, I'm asking about the shell names and with their indicators.
Not sure, like KSH, SH, we have that. What exactly?
Yeah. So what is the shell name?
Like kernel shell script, a bash script, but not sure, Sunil. Sorry.
What is the usage and functionality of a command rm-r?
Like it will recursively removes the directory or a file.
Recursively remove the directory. Which directories it will remove it out?
Like if you give a directory, it will remove. Like it is like a recursive function. RMI.
Recursively means, if I want to delete in subdirectories, it will be deleted.
Like hyphen I rm hyphen rf will delete all the subdirectories also.
Okay. So what is the difference between CMP and diff?
Difference will show the difference between the two files, like text difference. CMP is like compare between the two files, but not sure. I have used difference, but not CMP.
Okay. So what is the command to find the list of files and folders in alphabetical order?
ls-ltr will list of the files in the alphabetical order.
Here we will give the hidden files also. I'm asking about only the list of files and folders. LDR will give all the hidden files.
Yes. LSFN LSFNL will give the list of files in the alphabetical order. LSFN capital R.
So what find to display the last line of the file?
Tail-1 file name will give the last line of the file.
Sorry?
Tail-1 file name will give the last.
Okay. So what is the command to find the currently running process in Unix server?
Like ps-ef will list all the files. Like if we are checking for a specific one, ps-ef grep and the like Informatica service Informatica, or we can check that one.
So what is the command to find whether the system is 32-bit or 64-bit?
No idea, Sunil. Never checked that one.
So what is the command to find from how many days the server is up?
Issuing an uptime command will tell us like what time the server got up.
To find the disk space?
du-h dot will give us the disk space.
Okay. Yeah, right?
Sorry.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Yeah, that's all from my side. Any questions?
No, like just want to know what kind of project it will be.
Sorry?
What kind of role will be mine, or what kind of project is it? Just want to know like what will be my roles and responsibilities.
Hello?
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Sorry, like what kind of role are you looking for, or what will be the roles and responsibilities?
Yeah, okay. I'll let you know about the job description. We are looking for the persons having knowledge and data on ETL tools and secondary on Unix server cycle. So on daily basis, we receive almost 150 to 200 GB of data on different formats, maybe in a fat file, sequence files, you can say CSV files, or you can say coding files or query files, you can say not.
Okay.
You have to find out the issues on the files and you have to provide a solution for that one.
Oh, okay.
It is supporting as well as developing.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Okay. So that's the job description. So any more questions?
Nothing. Thanks for your time. Sorry.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and be safe.
Thank you. Yes. Same to you.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.